how to add song to Instagram post after posting it. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile that is on the bottom right corner. Now select any of the posts in which you want to add music. Tap on the share icon on the bottom third option. Then go ahead and tap on add to story. After that, what you need to do is you want to tap on the smiley like option. A pop-up will appear from where you want to tap on music. Now select any of the music from here, and then you can edit the music as following. You can edit the time, you can add how it appears to the screen, and also time duration of the lyrics. And after editing all that, you want to set on the screen, and then you want to tap on your story, and that is how you'll be able to add song to Instagram post after posting it. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.